In a sunny meadow, Penny the hedgehog wanders, her quills swaying amidst a vibrant sea of flowers. Penny smiles gently, observing the lively dance of forest creatures bustling through their day. Sunlight dapples the meadow as Penny continues her stroll, a peaceful observer of nature's rhythm. Each step brings a new discovery, a silent symphony of life unfolding around the wandering hedgehog. In the bright daylight, Charlie strains with furrowed brow, his small paws struggling against the earth. His face flushes crimson as he pulls with all his might, the carrot refusing to budge. Muscles tense. Charlie grits his teeth. A silent battle waged against the stubborn root. Dust swirls around him as he redoubles his efforts. Determination burns in his eyes. Under the open sky, Penny approaches Charlie near the rabbit burrow, determination etched on her face. Offering a hand, Penny says, "I offer to help," her voice clear and earnest. Charlie laughs, his amusement echoing in the open space. With a dismissive gesture, Charlie minimizes Penny's offer, her small stature seemingly inadequate in his eyes. Penny digs at the base of a vibrant carrot, her small feet kicking up puffs of dust in the sunlit field. Charlie tugs with all his might, his brow furrowed in concentration as he tries to unearth the stubborn carrot. With a final heave, the carrot pops free, revealing its bright orange body against the dark earth. Charlie's eyes widen in surprise and relief, a genuine smile spreading across his face as he holds up the prize. Strong winds buffet the forest, leaves swirling in a frenzied dance under a vast, indifferent sky. At the base of an ancient oak, Mila the sparrow lies helpless, her wing twisted at an unnatural angle. Her tiny body is a fragile contrast against the rough bark, a symbol of vulnerability against nature's might. Each gust of wind threatens to carry her away, a constant reminder of her precarious existence. Beneath the sprawling oak, Penny delicately examines Mila's injured wing, her touch gentle and knowing. With nimble fingers, Penny tears soft leaves, preparing a soothing remedy for Mila's wound. She fashions a makeshift bandage, her brow furrowed in concentration as she works. The bandage secured, Penny steps back, a tender expression of hope and care on her face. The sky darkens ominously as heavy clouds converge, casting a pall over the serene meadow. First drops begin to fall, splattering on the lush green grass, signaling the approaching storm. The gentle stream swells, its waters rising rapidly as the rain intensifies. The stream overflows its banks, the relentless rain transforming the meadow into a flooded expanse. Nature's fury is unleashed, a picturesque landscape succumbing to the overwhelming power of the elements. Desperate, Charlie's frantic shouts echo across the flooded field. Rising floodwaters menace his burrow, a dark maw threatening to swallow everything. Trapped inside, his baby bunnies face the encroaching deluge, their lives hanging precariously. Each crashing wave brings Charlie closer to losing everything he holds dear. At the rabbit burrow's mouth, Penny transforms, rolling into a tight, spiky ball. She becomes a living shield, her tiny form a barricade against the approaching floodwaters. Penny braces herself, a determined sentinel against the rising tide. Her spiky exterior gleams, a testament to her resolve. The burrow's entrance is now guarded by an unlikely, yet formidable, protector. Penny's small act of defiance stands against the overwhelming force of nature. Sunlight illuminates the entrance of the rabbit burrow as water surges around it. Penny braces against the relentless torrent, a steadfast guardian against the flood. Water crashes over Penny's back. Inside, the baby bunnies huddle together, safe, dry, and blissfully unaware. Penny's silhouette against the flood, a symbol of unwavering protection. The rain slows, a weak sun breaking through. The aftermath of the storm is visible around the flooded rabbit burrow. Charlie, drenched and exhausted, pulls Penny from the receding waters, his movements urgent and careful. Gratitude and deep remorse war in Charlie's eyes as he cradles Penny. The sun casts long shadows, highlighting the devastation and the fragile reunion. The meadow, washed clean by the storm, glistens under the tender morning sun. The air is fresh and vibrant, filled with the promise of a new day. Animals emerge from their hiding places, drawn by an unseen force. Penny stands at the heart of the meadow, a beacon of serenity and peace. Creatures great and small gather around her, their eyes reflecting respect and admiration. Golden light kisses the meadow, dew-kissed grass shimmering. Mila the sparrow's chest swells with pride on a sunny morning. Mila proclaims, I declare Penny the bravest hedgehog in the forest. Her voice rings through the tranquil meadow. A chorus of voices echoes from the trees, the unseen animals responding in unison. We agree. The meadow celebrates Penny, sunlight dancing on the grass in a symphony of light and sound. A golden sunlight drenches the serene meadow, illuminating a sea of wildflowers swaying in the gentle morning breeze. Charlie stands, his silhouette framed by the glowing meadow, his gaze fixed on Penny with earnest sincerity. Penny, I owe you an apology. Charlie begins, his voice soft against the backdrop of rustling grass and chirping birds. His expression deepens with remorse, the weight of his past judgment evident in his eyes. I underestimated you, he admits, the honesty in his words hanging in the air between them. I see your strength now, your selflessness. I'm truly sorry, Charlie confesses, seeking redemption in the heart of the meadow. Sunlight spills across the vast meadow, painting the scene in hues of gold and amber. Penny stands bathed in light, her figure silhouetted against the idyllic morning. A gentle breeze dances through her hair, carrying the scent of wildflowers and dew. A shy smile blossoms on Penny's lips, radiating warmth and serenity. Her eyes reflect the boundless joy she finds in simple acts of kindness. Helping others is what makes me happy, regardless of recognition, Penny reflects. In the meadow, a chorus of cheers erupts from the animals, celebrating Penny's triumph. Tiny Penny, the hero, stands radiant as the animals' cheers fill the air. The sun bursts through parting clouds, bathing the meadow in a golden glow. Warm light spreads, illuminating every blade of grass and highlighting Penny. Joyful cries and sunbeams intertwine, creating a scene of pure celebration. Penny basks in the light, a symbol of hope amidst nature's embrace.